45 degrees Celsius outside today. The temperature still seems nice in the old Jaguar. Nice and cool in here. Oh, she's starting to get a bit hot now. Damn heavy traffic. Could have capped itself off there at 105 degrees Celsius. Fuck, it's hot. Everything else seems alright. Brakes are getting pretty spongy. Cool. Well, there's not many Jaguars that would sit on that temperature on a 45 degree day. I made it to where I gotta go. Now I just gotta let the fans run and cool it down again before I can turn it off. Normally it runs on N or O, so you can see it's a bit hot. Well, there we go, my V8 Jaguar made it through this with air conditioning as well. Nice and cold in that car. Alright, I'm going to go hibernate in front of the Tico now because I'm just too hot. You should look, all the spiders are either dying or dropping off the door because they're too hot. Here's one with his little baby. I think it's just cooling out. There's another one swinging down there. There's a few around the place. Hopefully I don't walk into them. There's another one. Well, it's so goddamn hot. I'm going to try and cook an egg in the sun on that concrete. Never tried this before. I hope it works so it doesn't make a bad mess. I can't stay out here for long at all, so I've got to do this quickly. Let's see if I can do this without making a horrible mess. Well, I think it's just making a horrible mess. So let's just give it a while and see. I think I need to go back to air-conditioned comfort just for a little bit. You can tell how bored I am, it's just too hot to do anything. So let's try and cook an egg in the sun. I was going to do it on the car, but that would make a real mess. But that would have worked quite well. Oh, I'm back 5 minutes later. It's done something. Starting to go hard. Ish. Oh, that's it. Now I'll give it another 10 minutes. Oh well, I give up. Sort of half cooked. Oh, next really hot day I'll try it on a metallic object. Or black bitumen. Okay, it's like 5:30 in the evening. It's starting to cool down. I'll give it a bit longer. There we go, it's partially cooked. I'm happy with that. There you go, it's fucking hot here. I've got to go back to the air conditioner now. Well, let's see how the Jaguar starts after that nice hot drive before. Marvellous. I made it to where I'm going again. See if it starts when I come back. Back again. Cool. Well, it's 10 o'clock at night. Probably dropped down to about 30 degrees Celsius and that's it. Bloody hot, I tell you. Everything's hot. Yeah, if you can see that, there's a spider in a nice big web. Sucking on something. I'm here behind my air conditioner at the moment. I found some more black hairy spiders to look at. There's one. He looks pretty nasty. I'll get a better shot of him. Another one. I'm sure there's plenty more around.